Hi! Today's video, and I hope it will not be my last. Welcome to my YouTube channel! O diba, may YouTube channel na tayo mga bata. Okay, so for today's video, and I hope it will not be my last, I'm going to show you guys on how you fix your shaking iPhone, especially when you are taking camera and videos. So this is what we are going to deal today, or that we are going to have a solution today. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. So yes guys, this is my iPhone, and I'm gonna show you today the issue that I have experienced with my camera. As you can see, it's shaking and it's making noise when you make video and photo. Yes, so stressful. So what I've discovered, guys, I can help you with that. In a small little way, you can have a magnet. Yes, a small magnet, rectangular or circular, it will help. I'm gonna put it right here down of the lens of the camera. Okay, I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna hold it and we will go to the camera. And see, now it's normal. Like nothing happened when you take video. Perfect. And also guys, see it's coming back. Also guys, you can have it in front here on the top upper left of your phone where the camera is located. Yes, it's gone. And when you remove it, it came back. So it's really stressful, guys. Yeah, if you have budget to go immediately to the cell phone repair shop, why not? But if you have a magnet sense, then you can use it. I'm putting here at the back, guys. And if you want to put some little tape, no problem. But for me, I'm not putting anymore because I covered it immediately with my iPhone case. Just make sure it's not moving and it's a bit tight. Of course, there's magnet. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna go back to the camera. See, it's normal when you take video. Perfect. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you learned something and I hope it's useful for you to have also. And yeah, perfect.
Yeah!
Save. Thank you. I hope you like it guys, and I hope it could help also to solve your issues of your iPhone cameras. Thank you. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and sana may natutunan kayo kahit papano, di ba? Kahit kasi for me, yeah, it's a big help. Why not to use our magnetic mind? Alam mo yun. So thank you guys, and I hope you
subscribe, click the notification bell below, like and share for more updates. Thank you, and videos. Ciao!